Good morning and welcome to Designer's Den. We are changing things up a little bit this morning. Instead of the usual tips and tricks that your favorite designers serve to you here at AFW, I am here today to share with you some exciting deals that we have going on during our Super Memorial Day sale. Our Super Memorial Day sale is happening now. It's also happening on Memorial Day. It's happening this whole weekend. So this weekend is a great time to come in and buy and see some of the great deals that we're having here. A lot of people don't know that we have a ton of decor options at AFW. We sell a ton of furniture, but also we have a great selection of home decor and accessories. I'm talking wall clocks, mirrors, lamps, pillows, garden accessories, really any of the decor you could ever think of. We have it here. So if you want to follow me, I'm going to show you some great deals. So this is just an example of the great deals that we have on decor right now. This is our Farm Fresh milk can, and it's actually a set of two. So it's gonna be this guy, and it's for $44.99. And that is just an insane deal for both of these at that price. And that's just the perfect example of how we do home decor here. This whole table, actually, I couldn't find anything for over $50, and it's gonna be the same at any of our different decor tables. This one's farmhouse themed. We have a nautical one, a modern one, Western, really any type of decor you could ever want. So that's our decor. We also have great deals on leather. American Furniture Warehouse is known for their upholstery and their sectionals and sofas, but also their leather. So if you wanna come with me, I'll show you some of those deals. AFW has incredible deals on real, genuine leather. So this is going to be real leather. It's a recliner that also has the motion headrest, and it's for $858. That's just incredible. That deal, I feel like it's hard to find anywhere else. This is just the perfect example of that. It's amazing leather. It looks so nice. And this whole section actually is leather, priced just like that. We have motion, we have reclining. There's all different types of real, genuine leather here for you guys. Something else exciting that we have are special purchases. If you don't know what special purchases are, that just means that they are here for a limited time, and once we sell them, they're gone. So it's really good to come in this weekend, check out our special purchases, check out our leather, check out our home decor. Everything that we have to offer here is at a great price. A lot of it is on sale for our Super Memorial Day sale. So come in, bring your friends, bring your family, come in on your day off. We'd love to see you here this weekend. Have a great day. Wait, I forgot to tell you about pillows. The great deal we're having on pillows right now for our Memorial Day sale. Not all of the pillows, but a majority of them are at $6. That is an insane price for pillows. They're soft, they're plushy. So come in and grab some pillows too while you're at it. You can find all of this and more at afw.com.